GiGi A.I Enterprise Class Artificial Intelligence on Modicia O.S. We are proud to announce the official integration of GiGi, the new native virtual assistant of Modicia O.S, designed to redefine human-machine interaction on our distribution. GiGi A.I is not a simple chatbot, but a powerhouse of computational intelligence at the service of the user, perfectly integrated into the beating heart of the international operating system Modicia O.S. Cutting-edge technology, Meta Llama 3.370B GiGi A.I leverages the Llama 3.370B versatile model, one of the most advanced artificial intelligences in the world produced by Meta. With 70 billion parameters, GiGi A.I offers reasoning, programming, and assistance capabilities comparable to the most expensive proprietary systems on the market, while preserving the freedom typical of open-source software. Unprecedented speed. To ensure a smooth and instantaneous user experience, Modicia O.S relies on infrastructure powered by LPU, Language Processing Unit, technology. GiGi A.I processes responses with near-zero latency. The text generation speed exceeds human reading speed, making every conversation natural and immediate. Free, multilingual, and accessible GiGi A.I speaks your language. Thanks to integrated multilingual support, Italian, English, French, German, Spanish, Japanese, and many others, and thanks to the graphical and technological implementation created by Marco M. Mariani, founder, CEO, and Modicia O.S project lead, GiGi A.I is ready to assist users all around the world. User notes, free plan GiGi is accessible for free through a personal API key. The free plan offers incredible performance with small usage limits, ideal for everyday use. Speed, instant responses thanks to hardware acceleration. Capacity, up to 30 requests per minute. Cost, 100% free for personal use. Privacy and transparency. True to the philosophy of Modicia O.S, transparency comes first. GiGi A.I's code is lightweight and designed not to track the user. Your data and your API keys remain stored locally in your home directory. GiGi A.I is the bridge between the computing tradition of Modicia O.S and the future of artificial intelligence. A powerful, fast, and accessible assistant for everyone.